Body language is a powerful nonverbal communication tool, and Sigma males wield it with finesse. Remember, the Sigma male attitude is not about arrogance or ostentatious displays of power. It's about carrying yourself with grace, confidence, and a quiet determination to achieve your goals. The perfect example would be Thomas Shelby, the enigmatic protagonist of Peaky Blinders, who epitomizes the Sigma male attitude. His body language is a masterclass in nonverbal communication. His controlled movements and subtle expressions convey his unwavering confidence and ability to handle any situation. Let's explore 4 body language tricks that can help you cultivate the Sigma male attitude. Trick number 1. The power stance. Stand tall, shoulders back, and feet shoulder width apart. This power stance projects an air of authority. And studies have also found that it activates the body's testosterone production, boosting your inner confidence. Remember, a Sigma male exudes confidence not through words, but through his posture. Number 2. Make direct eye contact. Make direct eye contact with others, holding their gaze for a few seconds without flinching. This direct gaze conveys trust, respect, and an ability to handle any situation. A Sigma male's gaze is unwavering, reflecting his inner strength and self-assurance. Making direct eye contact is not about intimidation, but a genuine desire to connect and understand. It's a gaze that speaks volumes about a Sigma male's character, silently asserting his presence and commanding attention without uttering a single word.
Follow MindDriver.
Number 3. Take measured movements. Sigma males move with purpose, avoiding unnecessary fidgeting or nervous gestures. Their movements are controlled, deliberate, and exude a sense of calmness under pressure. Practice slow, deliberate movements, avoiding rushed or anxious behaviors. Sigma males move with purpose, their actions controlled and deliberate. It's like they're in slow motion, always in control, even when the pressure's on. Trick number 4, the relaxed smile. A Sigma male's smile is not forced or exaggerated. It's a genuine expression of inner peace and confidence. A relaxed smile conveys approachability, warmth, and a sense of self-control. When a Sigma male flashes his authentic grin, it's not to seek validation or approval. It's simply a reflection of his genuine contentment. If you aspire to cultivate the Sigma male attitude, incorporate these body language tricks into your daily interactions. Practice them in front of a mirror, observe how others respond, and gradually integrate them into your natural behavior. Embrace the power of nonverbal communication and let your Sigma male attitude shine through. Remember, Sigma males are not defined by their words, but by their actions and their aura. Subscribe to MindDriver and like this video if you resonate with the Sigma male approach to life.